guys hearing something? Check the bathroom.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh! Here we go!
Huh? You want mate?
Start. Come on. There you go.
Will automatically activate the central receiver screen. This test is normally conducted around 11 a.m. However, this weather is imminently to remain the test may be canceled. Warning signal properties. The alert tones will only be activated for the following Illinois. Again, from the forecast for Shelbyville and the surrounding areas of Jerseyville was hiding. Illinois, Adams, highs around 80. If your receiver was tone activated, the alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes light time. Again, the fortune deliver and farewell the returns for Sunday and Monday. Office in St. Louis, Missouri, and serves parts of central Illinois. West of today, mostly sunny. High around 80.
Nice.
A test of NOAA weather radio's warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. But may be postponed if there is a threat of severe weather. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will normally vary with distance from the transmitter. This may occur even if you're using a good quality receiver in good working order. We now return to regular programming. Looking elsewhere around the Midwest at 11 a.m. Chicago was partly sunny. The temperature was 76 degrees. Indianapolis was mostly sunny and 70.
You, Lincoln.